These are the Sennheiser HD206 headphones, economical headphones with Sennheiser quality. And I'm going to show you everything about these headphones, the characteristics, quality and demonstrations, to know everything about these headphones. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. These are the Sennheiser HD206 headphones. The box has the label that guarantees that they are original, and the box should include wired headphones and a 6.5mm adapter. But let's see about the specifications. It has a frequency between 21 Hz and 18,000 Hz, nominal independence of 24 ohms, sound pressure level of 108 decibels, and a total harmonic distortion less than 0.7%. It has stereo sound, over-the-ear design for ambient noise reduction, robust yet lightweight, and high-quality padding for the ears with artificial leather. So let's open the box to see everything that is included. The box is lightweight, so there is not much inside. We open the lid. The headphones come in a sponge bag, and there is nothing else inside the box. I can take the box out of here. I don't need it anymore. And I'm going to take the headphones out of the bag. These are the headphones, but there is also an audio adapter. The bag protects against scratches and dust, and there is nothing left in the bag. So what's included in the box are these wired headphones and an adapter for a 3.5mm audio connection. Regarding the characteristics of the technology, they are stereo headphones with a frequency between 21 and 18,000 Hz, sound pressure level of 108 decibels, sound pressure level of 108 decibels, and a total harmonic distortion of less than 0.7%. The physical characteristics, they are over-ear type. They are placed around the ear to reduce external noise and hear better. They are padded on the ears, but also on top in the head, with sponges with artificial leather. The sponges will rest on the face around the ear to be more comfortable. The headphones have a wire, which should be 3 meters long, but later I will measure the actual size to confirm that. It uses a 3.5mm audio connection to connect to the equipment. And it weighs 215 grams, so very lightweight, one of the lightest I ever tested. These headphones have a wire, and to connect to the equipment there is a 3.5mm connection, that is this plug. Traditionally, this plug is used to connect to sound equipment or computers, but smartphones are no longer having this plug. But it also has an adapter for a 6.5mm connection to connect to professional sound systems, which use this plug, and just fit the adapter into the plug, and it transforms this 3.5mm connection into a 6.5mm connection. You can compare the difference. One plug is bigger than the other, and with this adapter you can increase the size of the plug to be compatible with other equipment. The wire is 3 meters long, which is longer than normal. Typically, these wires are 1.5 meters to 1.8 meters. Therefore, this length is useful for when you have audio equipment far from where you are. You may find that is very long. One solution is to wrap part of the length close to the plug where it will be connected, and leave only half of the wire extended, and just leave the length of the wire you need to connect to the device you want. And so you can reduce the size of the wire to the length you need to connect to a computer. And now the wire only measures 1.5 meters. The remaining wire is wound. But the wire is still there if you need. This is a solution if you think the wire is too long, but it's better to have a longer wire than a shorter wire, because when you'll need to connect to a device further away from the computer, you will still be able to unwind the wire and make it longer again. For example, if I want to use the headphones in front of the computer, I don't need such a long wire. Therefore, I wind the wire near to the plug, and this way the wire is much smaller, with just the distance I need. And so, there is no problem if you don't mind winding the wire. This was another video about the Sennheiser HD206 headphones, but there will be more videos to learn everything about these headphones and decide if you should buy this product. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week and I will bring more headphones.